Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Amoy Harriet, filling in for Dadrian. Julian Marley and Antaeus win Grammy Award for Best Reggae Album.
No, I'm not Julian Marley. I'm Antaeus. Julian couldn't be with us tonight. He's in Australia touring. I'd like to dedicate this to the people of Jamaica who have accepted me as of their own, and they have lived up to the motto of the country, out of many one.
This marks Julian's first Grammy, with being nominated 3 times, with his previous nods for the albums Awake in 2009 and As I Am in 2020. His brother Stephen Marley secured the award in 2009 for the acoustic version of Mind Control, while Coffee's EP Rapture claimed victory in 2020. The duo was nominated alongside Buju Banton's Born for Greatness, Beenie Man's Simmer, Colibuz's Cali Roots Rhythm 2023, and Burning Spear, No Destroyer. And speaking about first-time winners, Johannesburg-born singer Tyler won the Grammy for Best African Music Performance in the category's first year with hit single Water. Now, while Miley Cyrus for Best Solo Performance, Victoria Monet for Best New Artist, and Carla G for Best Musica Urbana Album also copped their first Grammy win last evening. And still on the Grammys, Celine Dion made a surprise appearance amid a neurological condition, receiving standing ovation. The Canadian Her appearance comes just over a year following her announcement of being diagnosed with stiff person syndrome, a condition she said that doesn't allow her to sing the way she used to, which had led her to cancel her world tour Courage. Now, last week, Dion shared with fans via Instagram that she'll be chronicling her journey in a new documentary titled I Am Celine Dion. Now, she indicated in the announcement that she was aiming to return to singing, saying in a statement, quote, "As the road to resuming my performing career continues, I have realized how much I have missed it of being able to see my fans." And the Grammy for Best Rap Song goes to... or not. The Recording Academy came under heat last evening for mistakenly naming Nicki Minaj and Ice Spice Barbie World as the winners of Best Rap Song via social media X, formerly Twitter. Now, during the live pre-show, Killer Mike was announced as the recipient of the award for his work on Scientists and Engineers, which features Andre 3000, Future, and Erin Allen Kane. Now, while the post on X was swiftly deleted and replaced with the actual winners, that wasn't before Barbs took notice. Nicki Minaj have received a total of 12 Grammy nods and has secured none to date. That's it for E-Prime. I'm Amoy. Thanks for watching.